Social media people, it is Fun Fact Friday. So I am a home brewer and I make beer and cider and wine and kombucha and fermenting things too, so pickles and sauerkraut and kimchi and all that. And I have to kind of laugh because I think that cider is the easiest to make, followed by wine, followed by kombucha, and then I think that beer is futzy, and yet I make a ton of it. And then I ended up making that and then sharing it at the open houses and kind of the happy hours that I have around the solstices and the equinoxes. Solstice, Equinoxi, however you want to call them. So if you want to give those a try, you just let me know, and you come on in around those, because they're usually the Friday that's closest to the solstice, or the Friday that's closest to the equinox, and then we just get together and have a fun time as like-minded peeps. Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's kind of my way of getting to play around fermenting things, since I have a background in science. And I really liked that whole segment in microbiology about fermenting and being able to share that with people, because I certainly don't need that much booze at my house. Far easier and far happier for me to then share that with so many others. Yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think on that. And hopefully I see you at the December winter solstice open house.